Hi, my name is Eddie. I'm from Pixalink, and today I'm going to show you how our customer loyalty program can transform your customer engagement and boost marketing strategy. So a lot of business out there, right? They have a lot of customer data, but they don't know how to use it. So it costs them 25 times more to get a new customer than to retain or upsell the existing customer. So what if I tell you you could do both retaining your customers and to turn your customers into your best marketing channel? So this is exactly what Pixalink solution does. Pixalink is one of the leading loyalty solution in Malaysia, and we use mini program to create solutions that drives more customer engagement and retention. So this is the mini program front end, which is a customer facing portal. This is what we call a customer portal as well. So this allows your customers to check their points, redeem their rewards, book a time, and view the newsfeed. Sometimes they can refer their friends and also join community and also get notification or promotion through WhatsApp. So the best thing about this is your customer don't have to download anything and your customer don't even have to remember their account or password, and they need is just to put in your phone number to get started. Okay, so this is the reward marketplace, which is the marketplace where you can put all your vouchers in, and your customer can use the point to exchange the vouchers and use it at your store. So it can be a form of ticket, voucher, or rewards. So the best thing about this, right, is to auto remind your customers via WhatsApp when the voucher is going to expire already. So here's the referral program where it's a peer-to-peer referring. Your customer can refer their friend to join the membership so they can get the rewards. And the friends also get some benefits as well. So we also can set a conditional basis, which is let the customer's friend to come and purchase first, then only the existing customer get the voucher. So it can be a two-sided reward. So we also have a joint community. So which is the joint community is a WhatsApp community where you can redirect them into your WhatsApp community, and also time to time you send some promotion and limited quantity vouchers into the group, and then they can grab it. So whoever grabs it first, they get it. So for example, you have 1,000 people in the group, and you send in like 10 free vouchers into the group and see who grabs it first, then they get it lah. So also, we have a custom button where you can redirect your customer into your website or into your social media. So to onboard the customer is very, very simple. All you need is just to put a QR code at the cashier, and then the customer will scan the QR code and sign up themselves. Or you can do something just like Watson or Guardian. They just take the phone number from the customers, which is the cashier asks for the customer phone number, and they key in for them, and this time the customer will get a welcome message, or a existing customer they will get a notification saying, hey, how many points you have earned. If it is a first time customer, then they will have to click the link and fill up the details for the first time login. So within that, in the mini program, they can use the rewards and view their points and also refer their friends. And once you have enough database already, you can use a WhatsApp promotion and send them the promotion through WhatsApp, and then they can visit again using your voucher. So for smoother operation, you can use a barcode scanner to scan their phone number instead of asking for their phone number. And also you can allow the customers to bookmark just like an app on the phone. So we also have a reservation system inside. So this is more to a slot based calendar, which is like from 9 to 10, you have 10 slots, and then you can set an approval process to allow or approve or reject. Okay. And also the best thing about this reservation system is you can create your internal WhatsApp group with your staff, and then you will get notified through that WhatsApp group when new reservations come in. So we also have campaigns, which is a marketing campaign lah. So I think most of the important one are here, which is like the new customers, the birthday customers, and also win back lost customer. So these are the campaigns that you can set and send via WhatsApp. So like win back lost customer, you can set something like 90 days the customer didn't spend with you already, and then the system will automatically triggers a WhatsApp to the customers and saying, hey, we have a 10% discount for you, and please come back to spend with us. So we also do targeted marketing. So in this targeted marketing, which we call tagging, okay, we can tag them for each customer. We can tag them, for example, I buy package A, so you can tag me as a package A. So for example, I love to drink coffee, you can tag me as a coffee lover. So you can create this segmentation and this category of peoples. Then you can target them to with a very specific promotion. So the conversion rate will be higher. So we also do have a follow-up campaign. So the simplest example for the follow-up campaign is like, for example, I already spent with you, and then you can automatically send me a review message saying, hey, how is our service? How is our food? Or how is our product? Can you give us a Google review? So it's after 1 hour of the transaction, then I will receive this message. So we also have pro features, which is the tiering, which is the silver, gold, platinum, yeah, this kind of tiering. And we also have this credit wallet, which is you can top up to the wallet and then spend in store. So this is a closed loop wallet, which your customer can top up, for example, 100 ringgit, and then they can get additional bonus if you set the bonus credit. So for example, a lot of people out there, they use like, oh, if I top up 100 ringgit, then you give me another 10 ringgit extra. So this is also a VIP or paid membership. So this is depending on whether you want to use it or not. Okay, yeah. So I think that's it. So this is the product demonstration. This is the merchant's back end, and then this is the customer portal, which is the front end of your front-facing customer portal. These are all customizable, which is the banner, the background, and the color as well to match your own brand theme. Okay, so you can see here you have your profile, your customer profile here, and then you can see okay how many rewards they have, the points, and the credit. So down here we have the newsfeed. You can update your customer with your latest promotion or your announcement, and then you can paste your logo here as well. So in the reward marketplace, this is very important, which is we can put all your available vouchers here that the customer can use their point to exchange. So once they exchange the vouchers already, they will go into their My Rewards. So this will be all the existing vouchers, which is look something like this. You can put your description, your term and condition. When they click use now, they will have a barcode for the cashier to scan. And then the 6 digit they can have validate to it. Okay. So in the profile as well, you can see like the wallet points, rewards, and the tiering. This is the platinum tier. For example, you have silver, gold, platinum, and then you can view the benefits in here. Okay. So down here you also can add the refer a friend. So once you refer a friend, and then you will get a voucher popping up, then you can claim it. Okay. So this is what the customer can do. So on the back end, which is the merchant portal, which is merchant side of view, you can just simply go into your record points, and then this record point is very, very simple. Just put in your customer phone number and click next, and then give them the amount of point. For example, I spent 50 ringgit, then you put 50. So if I create add, then here will automatically reflects the point. Okay, so this is how simple it is to just record a point. And to validate the voucher is also very simple. When the customers come to the shop already, then they want to, for example, they want to use this voucher, then you just have to spell out this 6 digit and paste it into the validate reward. So once you have the 6 digit code, it will shows you, hey, this is the name, this is the phone, and then this is the voucher. So once you click submitted, the customer side will automatically successfully redeem. Okay, so this is how simple it is. So this is all your cashier need to do. Okay, so for the one below here, we have the point history, we have the reward setting. You can set a few hidden reward, and then you can click into it and view like, okay, your reward name, description, term and condition, and the image as well. And then on the configuration side, you can set like your validity, which is valid how many days, and the visibility. whether you want to show it in the customer portal or not, right? So the distribution and the amount of points to redeem, and you can create like direct link access and to set like certain limits to the voucher. We also have automation to each rewards as well. So you can assign to new customer automatically, or you can assign to birthday customer automatically, or to a specific tagging. Okay, so in the advanced setting here, you can see these are the WhatsApp message that you can customize as well. So when you enable it, it will automatically send them when they get a new rewards. Okay, so you on top of here, you can see, okay, 14th of the rewards is given out, and then 8 is still active, and 6 is already used, and then some of it may be expired. Okay, so you can see the percentage of the redemption rate, so you can see what's the conversion for each reward. Okay, so for customer portal design here, you can design your own uh, style, okay, your own banner, and then you input your image. So there is a feature here as well, so you can enable or disable some features. Okay, so you can customize your own link as well. Okay, so these are the things that you can do lah. And then for the announcement, which is a pop-up from the first time when they log in, it will have a pop-up lah. So it can be any announcement you can put in here as well. You can put an image, you can put like wording, right? So you can do all these kind of things. And then for the newsfeed, it can be when you click the newsfeed, right, it can be an external link or in the internal link or a pop-up. Okay, so these are the things you can do the setting lah. So when they click internal link, then you can select, okay, going to which page. Maybe they go to referral, so you can save and change, so it will go to referring page. So when I click this one, it will go to yeah, maybe I will refresh first. It will go to referral. Yeah, so for referral, it's very simple lah. So you can set like, okay, what is the invitee getting and what is the inviter getting. So these are the things that you can set lah. It can be given out in the form of point, credit, or either rewards. Okay. So for tiering, I think this tiering you can set it yourself, like the name, the member, silver, gold, platinum. You can be tier 1, tier 2, tier 3. It can be any name. So you can set your own tiers lah. Okay, we also have a feedback, which is an internal feedback form that they can fill it up, and then for example like this, so they can just select the branch and then they can fill up the information here and then upload an image and then click submit. So when it's submitted already, it will shows in the here lah. Okay, so for this one is a wallet management lah. So wallet management is the same as point, but it will be in form of credits lah. So you can set like, if I top up 500 ringgit and then you get $50 credit. Okay, so these are the things that you can set as well. So for example, the calendar wise, which is the slot basis calendar, where it looks like this, where your customer can see what is the slots available, and then they can just click submit. So once they click submit, it says, okay, it will going into pending for approval. So it looks like this. So this is the status still pending. And on your merchant backend side, you can click approve or reject. Okay, so when you click approve, then the reservation is confirmed, which is the status is changed lah. So when they go to the shop or the store, they can just use this QR code to check in. Okay, and then for the customer point of view, for the customer CRM, all the information will be stored here lah. Okay, so all the information will store here. So this is the name, email, phone number, maybe the gender, the date of birth, and the branch. Okay, so this the property status. Then you can set the source coming from where, which is the status, what's the status here, and then you can fix the tier to a certain tier that stays there, and then you can give them some tagging, and then their point, their credit, and then you can view all the transactions within the system, and then you can see what campaign have you sent to them before, and then also you can see what are their rewards still activate and what are the used one, right? So you can do some filtering lah from here. And then you can see who have they invited, so the invitee, and then also their credit transaction. Okay, So once you have that, then you can check out the campaign. So campaign is more towards marketing already. So campaign you can create like multiple trigger points campaign. For example, win back lost customer. You normally we use WhatsApp. So you can set like for example 180 days without transaction already, and then you can send them this message, and then you can attach your file or image or video or PDF. Okay, so once you click created, so whoever 180 days without the transaction, it will start to send. Okay, but you also can create your own custom campaign as well. So you can put your information here. For example, this is an example campaign. Okay, this is an example campaign. Okay, so you can set like dear customer. So you can auto replace it with your customer name, and then you can say here is your point, for example. So you can put in like the current point they have right now. So it will send them like, hey, dear Ali, here's your point 160, for example, right? And then you can put your attachment here lah. And then once you create, it will become a template lah. So when it become a template, you can start sending it through broadcast. So with the broadcast, you can just select the campaign, and then you can send to certain tier customer, or send to certain tagging customer, or to all the customers. So to all the customer, you can select the standard mode or safe mode. So usually safe mode, it will be sending from 9 to 5 lah. Okay, so it will have a limit of 500 customers a day, which is the WhatsApp. They don't oversend more than 500 a day. So it will protect your phone number from being blocked lah. Okay, so once you click that, you can click next, and then you can see this summary. So for now, it's a 16 customers, and then they will get this message. So if you have more than 500, it will separate into batches. So now it's only one batch because I have only 16 customers, and then it will separate into like multiple batches for now. So it will be starting sending from tomorrow 9, and then 16 message. So when you have more, it will schedule for you lah for the next day. So once you click create it later, and it will have a report something like this. So these are the report that you can see lah. So for example, these 4 customers, then you can see the status is sent lah. I think I covered most of it already. If you have further questions, please let me know.